Lawyers, what's the strangest law that's won a case for you? I once won a case where New York City tried to exploit a ridiculous law, but that same law ended up helping me beat them. This was a slip and fall case where my client had tripped on a piece of broken sidewalk outside of the Natural History Museum and shattered her arm and wrist. So the law is that a property owner is responsible for the sidewalk directly outside of their property, the theory being even if they can't fix it, they have a duty to warn people about hazards and mark the area off. But the museum was city-owned, which introduced a tricky legal hurdle: sovereign immunity. Sovereign immunity means that the government can't be sued without their consent. In order to sue, you would have to show that you have informed the government of the exact specific crack in the sidewalk before the injury occurs, which of course is ridiculous and normally impossible because no one anticipates tripping on the sidewalk 180 days in advance with the foresight to write a letter about that specific crack. But thankfully, a nonprofit called Big Apple Maps had basically anticipated this nonsense. They meticulously documented every crack, bump, and pothole on city sidewalks and submitted those maps directly to the government, specifically to challenge this sovereign immunity loophole. I got my hands on one of their maps, visited the site, and sure enough, the city had just patched the exact spot where my client fell. In court, the city's attorney brought up sovereign immunity and listed all the stupid steps I'd need to go through to avoid a dismissal. I just slid the map across the table and said, "Oh, you mean this?" And immediately they offered us a settlement.